Reddit's latest earnings tell us something important about AI and social platforms. On paper, Reddit looks strong. Revenue hit $805 million, up 61% year over year. Ad revenue grew 64%. Daily active users reached 130.3 million, up 18%. But here's the twist. The stock still dropped after earnings. Why? Because investors are starting to ask whether AI search is quietly changing the social media funnel. Compare this. Reddit's revenue is growing fast, but US daily users reportedly slipped slightly from the previous quarter. Global users are up, but the most valuable market is showing pressure. And there's another contrast. Reddit can license its data to AI companies for an estimated $60 to $70 million a year. But AI tools can also summarize Reddit answers and reduce direct visits. So Reddit is both benefiting from AI and being threatened by AI. That's the new social platform problem. Human conversation is becoming more valuable, but AI may capture the attention before users ever click.